Hi everyone, there's a small update on the Universal Stats and Attribute System plugin, which allows you to create previsualizations for your stats component. Here I'm in the USAS RPG example, and as you can see, whenever I toggle my character sheet, I can now preview the modifications of my stats component, and I can either abort the modifications or confirm the modification, like that. So it's pretty easy to set up. You go inside your character, and here, whenever I toggle the character sheet, I use this node, generate previsualization stats component, which is just a copy of your stats component, and I save it as a variable directly inside my character. And whenever I'm done using it, I destroy it. Don't forget to destroy it, because else it will just stand here forever. Right, so as you can see here on the left side, you have the values of the original stats component, and on the right side you have the values of the copy. Whenever I click the plus button, it will only affect the values of the copy of the stats component. And whenever I click abort, it will set back the values of the copy to the values of the original. And whenever I click confirm, it will set the values of the original stats component to the values of the copy. The way I do this is, for the red values that you see here, I simply bind them to the stat of the previsualization stats component inside my character. I use the bind event onValueChanged. So whenever the value of the copy stats component changes, I update it in the UI, and I check if it's the same as the original. And if it's the same, I set it to hidden. This way I only see the stats that are actually changing. And if it's not the same, I set it to visible. And for the abort and confirm buttons, it's pretty simple too. So whenever I click the abort button, I load the stats component save format for my copy, so for my previsualization stats component, and use the values of the original. So I basically load the original values inside my previsualization stats component, so it will set them back to their normal state. And whenever I click confirm, I do just the opposite. So I load the values of the previsualization stats component inside my original stats component using the load stats component save format. And this way you can have this this effect. And yeah, that's it. I hope this helps you create a cool UI, and let me know if you have any question, and see you in the next video.